in the library what we need is books. So first of all you have to add a books. So what books? Here I have already around 5 books. 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 6 7 8 books. So now I want to add some more books, so I have to click on add new, and you have to enter the book ID. Let's say 751, and the group ID you can select anything. Here the group I already give, so later on you will see. Now SQL I want to enter book name, PL SQL. Let's say publisher anything you can give, PHP or Vikas Publish. Because publishing authors, you have to enter the author's name, and publishing year in which year the book was published, or else you can just type it and enter, or else you can just choose from here. And edition, it is second edition or whatever edition. And price, what is the price out there? 985 rupees. Status, you can just select if it is a new book, so you can just select available, or at that moment if you are giving for rented, then you can give for the rented. So let's save it. That book is coming. PLSQL. Now if you want to delete some books, so you select any book, or else you can just enter the book ID like this here in the field, and then the book will be selected. So if you want to delete, just click on delete. I really want to delete. If you really want to delete, click on yes, or else no. Let's delete it. There is success. Now we'll go for add group. So if we want to add a group number 3 is Python, group number 4 is blah blah blah. Let's say we want to add something. It's already in used. So G063, I want to add something like jog. So we want to add that. So click on add successfully. Jogs we can see out there. That is how to add the group. Now you want to add a book, so that time you can see if you want to add a book and group ID G063, that was the jogs. So it was display, it was entered that time, then it is displayed out here. And you can, if the customer is coming, so if you want to register the customer, you can register from here. And book issue, if you want to issue the book, so go from the file menu and click on issue book, and which book you want to issue. Those book, the details will be displayed, and to whom you want to issue. Here the customer are there, so you can just issue to them. Now the issuing date, and what is the due date? Let's say next 26 March. So I click on issue. Book has been issued. Now it is issuing. So another book you want to issue to someone else, so issue new. Now select anyone and enter the customer name, customer ID, and then customer name, everything will be displayed, and then here you can change the date and all. Click on issue. So that is how to issue. Now return book. After the customer has taken those book, only the book issued were displayed out here. Now that in this day there is person want to return his book, whatever he take from the library. So now I just click on return. So return successfully. I just refresh. If you want to delete, you can just click on the delete, but it is always better not to delete. And book report, this is about the book report. You want to search a book ID, or according to the status, all rented, only one book is rented. You want to see for all available books, whatever available is, the book is available, then those things are displayed out here. And if you want to search for with the book name or book ID B002, want to search that, so that is book ID 2, it's Java. All the details is being given according to book name. Those things are here wished, and that is a book report. And exit is to close the application. Now if you want to add a customer, you can go for the customer menu and then go for the add, delete, update customer, and then here the customer can be added. All these are the existing customer. Now you want to add a new customer, so just click on add new, and this is the customer ID. Now let's say customer name is this one, and he's staying, let's say, and contact number anything, and what is the security deposit? You have charge 500, let's say. Activation date, today is the activation set, and or when is the activation date, so you just select that, or else you can just enter, and you can just change the year. So after all, you just click on save, then the customer will be added. The customer is added. So that is how to add a customer. You want to view all the customers, just click on view customer. Customer ID you have to enter. That is the one that I want to search. So that is how you are going to search a customer. This customer is not exist, so you can just go on those things. Now next one is all rented. You want to see all the books whichever is rented. You can just from go view menu, and then you can click on that, and then all the rented book will be displayed. And you are opening all this form, and you want to close all the form at the same time, so go to Windows and close all, everything will be closed. Now setting, under setting we can change the picture of the form. The picture is changing. The next time you open this form,